Recently, we've had some requests from our users to have a competition to see different types of embroidery designs and share our creativity with the world. And so Kreations by Kara is announcing its embroidery competition. And this is how you can submit your competition entry and some of the prizes that you can win. So to get to the submission website, if you go to the normal kreationsbykara.com webpage and then you click submit, you'll see this brings us up to our submissions website. At the very top up here, you'll see sign up or log in. If you've never signed up before, you'll have to click sign up. I've logged in, so I'm just going to click log in. And you'll see when I click the login button that I can either skip the password, email a link, or type my username and password in. So you either sign up if you're new or log in if you're coming back. So I'm going to log in. Now that I'm logged in, I could always go back. So let's just say I want to go back to the normal website. I can click the home page, the back arrow here, and that's going to bring me back to the normal website. So that way I can go back and look at designs. So I'm going to go back and to the submit to see this competition submissions. All of the directions, including this video and some other directions, are down here in the competition directions, as well as some of the awards that you can win. If you want to create a submission or you want to look at other people's submissions for different inspiration, you can click the embroidery competition submissions here, left click on that. And you'll see here we have one submission in there already. So let's just click on it and see what's already submitted. So we're going to click on this one and we're going to see here is the test setup for the competition submission. And you'll see there's a couple pictures here, a little description, some more pictures, and then just a link of where the design came. I'll show you how to do that next. It's very easy. And then a description. So if you like this one, you can click heart, and that way you can start to vote. And that way the one competition winner is the one that has the most amount of votes. So if you like this one, you can vote with a heart. You could also share this if you want to share this to some friends. If you want to put your own submission down and start to share it, you can click share. And that'll either be Facebook or email or Twitter, or you can just copy and paste this link and post it anywhere. Other buttons down here are you can flag this just in case something comes up that you think is bad. That way the administration team can take a check at it. Or you can bookmark it so that you can save this design and do it later. If you click reply here, you can reply to the original author and say something like, this looks great. Thanks for sharing your creativity. And then I can just click reply. And that way, this person knows that they did a good job and whatever questions or anything else that I had on it. And that's it. That's how we vote with the heart, and that's how we share it. So let's say we want to go back and make our own. So what I can do is go back to the main page up here by clicking this link. I can go to the embroidery competition submissions and left click on that. Now I'm going to submit a competition entry. So this will pull a little box up down here. And what we can say is whatever we want to call this submission. So I'm going to call this one, my second submission, I'm going to call this Moroccan. Let's just see which one I want to do. Let's go over to the page and we're going to pull up I'm going to submit this one, the Moroccan tile quilt. So I'm going to go Moroccan tile quilt is mine, or whatever you want to call it. Quilt submission demo, I'm going to call mine. And now down here, I can type in here if I want quilt, quilting. I can type in other tags if I want, or I can skip the tags. Down below, I can start to type in this submission. Hello everyone. Hello everyone. This submission is for a Moroccan tile quilt I made using Kreations by Kara embroidery designs. And then let's just say you want to put some pictures in. So all you have to do is on your computer pull up the pictures, and I'll pull them over here so we can all see them. And now I just grab all the pictures and I just drag them in here, and it's very easy. And that way they're all in. If you want to delete them, you just highlight them up and you can delete them. And that way they delete. Usually it's best to put your best picture first. So I'm going to put my best picture first. And then I'm going to put the other pictures underneath of that. So I'm going to do this one. I'm going to add a little space or something and then put the other ones in. And that way I just have a little bit of space between them. So I'm going to drag these all in. Bloop. And then I can write at the bottom anything else. So I got this file came from, this file was modified from here. And you could just put the link in. So if I go over to the website wherever I got this design, so you'll see I have it from here. I can just copy the link and paste the link there and then press enter. And that's it. If you want to put a description, you can put a description saying this was a quilt design that was had a finished size of 23 inches by 23 inches and was made with 8 by 8 hoops. And you could say if you made this for somebody, or what inspired you to make it, or if you mix some designs together, that's even more awesome. Anything that you want down there just to tell people what happened. And that's it. All you have to do is click Create Topic. And you'll see now your topic is up. Other people can see what you made. They can go through. You can't like your own topic, of course, but everyone else can like it. So if I go back to the main page up here, you'll see in the competition submissions, first there's a submission here. Somebody just submitted something, which was me. And then if I go to the embroidery competition submissions, you'll see now my quilt is up. And now people can start seeing it and voting on it. And if you click on it, you'll be able to see all the details inside of there. If you want to change something, you can always change it later on by going to the little pencil. If you made the post, you can go back and you can edit it. So let's just say I notice that I want to add a little more description. I can go to the pencil and say 8 by 8 hoops. I used various cotton fabrics to make this. And that way I can save my change, just in case something wants to be changed a little bit. And that way you can change it. And that's it. That's the whole piece. And once this is up, we'll be reviewing through these to see which ones win the competition at the very end of the competition. For the User's Choice Award, again, what you can do is go in here, find the one that you like or the ones that you like, and you can vote. You can vote as many times as you want. And that way we can find through who has the User's Choice Award of the ones that people think are the best. So hopefully this is fun, and we get to see some new creativity from everyone, and hopefully this will be a new thing that we can start to do every year of these different embroidery competitions to share ideas and get to see some of the new things that everyone is making out there. Hope you guys are having a great time. Enjoy stitching this week, and I'll talk to you soon.